Get ready for a groundbreaking update on the fight against cancer. Evaxion, a clinical stage tech bio company, has just unveiled some incredible results from their phase 2 trial with an AI-designed personalized cancer vaccine, EVX-01. The numbers are impressive, and the potential impact on cancer treatment is huge. But here's where it gets controversial and exciting. On October 17th, 2025, Evaxion, Nasdaq EVAX, shared 2-year phase 2 data for EVX-01, a vaccine designed to target advanced melanoma. The results are nothing short of remarkable. An objective response rate, ORR, of 75% was observed, with 12 out of 16 patients showing clinical responses, and 4 achieving complete remission. Even more impressive, 92% of these patients were still responding positively at the 24-month mark, with no signs of relapse. But how did EVX-01 achieve such impressive results? Well, it's all about precision. EVX-01, developed using Evacion's AI-Immunology platform, is designed to target multiple neoantigens, unique cancer proteins that arise from mutations. In this trial, the vaccine triggered an immune response in all patients, with 81% of the targeted neoantigens generating potent T-cell responses. This high immunogenicity rate is a game-changer, outperforming historical observations and other approaches. The data also confirmed that EVX-01 is well tolerated, with patients experiencing deepened responses during treatment. Tumor reduction was observed in 15 out of the 16 patients enrolled, further solidifying the vaccine's potential. However, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. Due to a reduction in enrolled participants, the trial's primary endpoint was not formally analyzed. Additionally, key time-to-event endpoints, such as progression-free survival and overall survival, could not be reported, as most patients were still responding at the data cutoff. These limitations raise questions about the generalizability of the results to a broader population. Despite these constraints, the results are a clear indication of the vaccine's biological signal and clinical activity. As Birgit Rono, CSO and interim CEO of Evaxion, stated, a 75% ORR is unprecedented in this hard-to-treat patient population and underscores the significant potential of EVX-01 as a new treatment option. Professor Mohammed Adnan Khattak, an oncology expert and one of the trial's investigators, echoed this sentiment, calling the study a new benchmark in personalized immunotherapy. He emphasized that the long-term efficacy and safety of EVX-01 demonstrate the clinical significance of Evacion's AI-Immunology program. The data was presented at the European Society for Medical Oncology, ESMO, Congress 2025 in Berlin, and Evaxion will continue to discuss these findings with stakeholders and potential partners. The company plans to initiate a larger, controlled study or partnership to further confirm these promising results. So, what's next for EVX-01? Keep an eye out for the following milestones: the presentation of full datasets, including PFS, OS, and safety breakdowns, and the initiation of a larger study. These are expected within the next 6 to 18 months if development progresses smoothly. Evaxion will also host an online webinar on October the 22nd, 2025, featuring Professor Khattak, where they will delve deeper into the 2-year phase 2 data and discuss the challenges of treating advanced melanoma. This is a great opportunity for further insight and discussion. The phase 2 trial investigated EVX-01 in combination with NSD's anti-PD-1 therapy, Keytruda, in patients with advanced melanoma. Each patient received a unique vaccine designed specifically for their individual biology. The trial has been extended for another year, during which participants will receive EVX-01 as monotherapy, with data expected in 2026. EVX-01 is Evacion's lead clinical asset, designed for the first-line treatment of multiple advanced solid cancers. It harnesses the power of the patient's immune system to target and fight tumors, offering a personalized approach to cancer treatment. These results are a significant step forward in the fight against cancer, but they also raise important questions. How will regulatory bodies and payers assess the durability of these responses across a broader population? What are the long-term implications for cancer treatment? And how can we ensure that this innovative approach reaches those who need it most? These are questions that Evaxion and the medical community will continue to explore as they develop EVX-01 further. The potential is immense, and the impact on patients' lives could be transformative. Stay tuned for more updates, and feel free to share your thoughts and insights in the comments. The future of cancer treatment is an exciting and evolving field, and your input is valuable.